Today, this very day, we're celebrating our 30th year of providing greener chemistry for industry.
We create chemicals that eliminate hazardous chemicals in virtually every industry.
There are ways of doing things that are better for the environment without forcing it on business. There needed to be a way to get the same job done cost effectively and not create the exact same problem or make the problem worse in some other aspects.
We started looking for where are the bad things being used. We do the R&D for free, but we know there's a real problem. There's a real issue. And if we can really get an answer to that, we've got a real market.
Our biggest product is CitraSafe, which is 100% derived from orange peels. It's one of the few products that's spec'd for aircraft cleaning that's completely bio-derived, not synthesized, not made from crude or otherwise. And there's not very many companies that can say that.
We really emphasize waste minimization.
You use less, you recycle more, you prevent the waste in the first place.
It actually will reduce costs, hard costs. What drives me is that I have witnessed too many people working that are exposed to hideously toxic chemicals, and I'd like to change that. I'm all for green and I want to preserve the environment, but the most acutely needful environment right now is where people are working.
You're either got to be for the environment or for people or for development. You can do what's better for the environment and for people at the same time. They are the same thing. Everything goes forward. Populations grow, and bigger impact on everything.
And we have to keep finding new ways to improve. We've been providing environmentally safe solutions for all industries way before it was cool.